Is Mr. Rebates a great way to get cashback when shopping online, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this Mr. Rebates review, I will give you an inside look and show you exactly how it works and what you can expect, so you can easily find out if this is the right option for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. So let's start by going over who can even join, so you know if this review will even be relevant for you. And you can join Mr. Rebates from more or less all countries. But however, the number of deals you get there and how much you can earn that way will depend on the country you live in. In some countries there just are more cashback offers than in other countries. Especially if you live in the US and Canada, there are great opportunities, but in many other countries you can also find some great cashback offers here as well. And you can also use an app, the Mr. Rebates app. If you want to, you can download it through the App Store or through Google Play if you have an Android device. So if after watching this review you decide to join, then make sure that you also are aware of the apps, because that can make it easy to earn some extra when you're shopping online. So I have now logged into Mr. Rebates, and it is fairly easy to figure out how it works. If you have not used cashback sites before, then shortly I can explain how they work, and that is that they have a lot of partner stores that will pay them a percentage for sending customers to their online stores, and then Mr. Rebates, in this case, they share a part of that percentage with you, so you get a percentage back of whatever you spend in certain online stores. So if you are going to shop online anyways, then using a good cashback site is really great opportunity, because you basically just get money back for things you were going to buy anyways. And when it comes to Mr. Rebates, they have a lot of partner stores. They have more than 3,000 partner stores. As I mentioned earlier, how many that you can actually benefit from will depend on the country you live in, but you can find a lot of opportunities here. You just go to the stores, and then you can either choose all stores, and then you get an alphabetic list like this, or you can choose certain categories if you, for example, would like to see cashback offers for sporting goods or travel and luggage or shoe, pets, all this here. Or you can just start going through the list here, or you can use the search function up here, search stores, if there is a specific store you want to check if they have available. But you can see all the ones they just have just for the letter A. So there are a lot of offers, and you can also see here the percentage you would get back. So that means that if I went to this shop here and spent any money, I would get 7% back into my Mr. Rebates account here. And later I will go over how you can then get those earnings out. And in some cases there is a set amount here. In this case it would be $30 I would get back here if I used an offer here. So all you would then need to do is to click the Shop Now button here, and it would take you to that specific online store. And then when you have spent money, then once this buy have been verified by Mr. Rebates, then you would get those money into your Mr. Rebates account. In addition to all the cashback offers, Mr. Rebates also has a coupon section. You just go to the stores and then you choose coupons here. And you can then scroll down and you can see the different coupons, and you can get them here. So these are more than just the cashback. You would still get cashback here, but here, for example, you would also get $15 off if you buy for more than $150. And there's all kind of coupons like this. So here's one for Calvin Klein, for example. You would get also a percentage off in addition to the cashback offers. So this can also be worth checking out, this section here, for sure, as it can be a way to earn extra or get some great savings. If you decide you want to use Mr. Rebates, I just want to make you aware that they also have a Chrome extension called Mr. Rebates Quick Cash button. And this can be very useful because, as you could see before, I would have to log into Mr. Rebates and find the different shops if I wanted to shop online. If you install this Chrome extension, it makes it a lot easier because I would get a notification whenever I would be on an online shop that offers cashback through Mr. Rebates, and then I could just activate it directly there in the browser instead of first logging into Mr. Rebates. So you can see some examples here. If I was on a certain website, then I would get a pop-up notification here that would remind me that here I could actually get cash back. So that is a great way to make sure that you do not miss out, because you might forget it if you're just shopping online, and then this would actually remind you. Before getting to the payout methods, I also just want to make you aware how you can get $5 joining bonus just for signing up. Because Mr. Rebates has a referral program, which means that you can earn a commission when you invite friends to join, and then you will get a percentage of what they earn. That will not go out of their earnings, they will earn the same. This is something Mr. Rebates will pay you to thank you for inviting others. But that also means that if you join through an invitation link from someone that is already a member, you will actually get a $5 joining bonus, as you can see here. So if you're going to join, I would strongly recommend you to join through an invitation link like that, because $5 just for signing up is a really great start, and it would take you very close to the payout threshold, which we will go over in just a few seconds. And I am already a member of Mr. Rebates, and you are of course more than welcome to use my invitation link. We will both benefit from that. So you can find that invitation link on my website. I will leave a link here below this video here that will take you to the full review. And at the top of that review, there is a joining button. And if you click that, you will then use my invitation link and you will get $5 into your account right away. So let's now go over how you can get your earnings out, because that is of course also very important to know. And you go to your account here, and then you can either request check, gift card, or PayPal payout. And the payout threshold is only $10, so it is quite low, and especially if you get the joining bonus, you will be very close to reaching that very soon. Just be aware that the check option is only available in the US and in Canada. If you live in other countries, PayPal definitely would be the best option. And I think it is great that they offer to pay you through PayPal, because it is a very convenient way to actually get your earnings out in cash. So I think the payout methods and the conditions and the threshold of Mr. Rebates are definitely great, and they are also pretty good compared to many other cashback sites for sure. So Mr. Rebates is definitely a legit cashback site, and it has a lot of different cashback offers and also coupons. So if you ever shop online, it definitely can be worth checking out, because then why not get some money back when you're shopping anyways. It also offers great payout methods, so you can actually get your earnings out in cash, and you can also get them fairly quickly because the payout threshold is only $10. And as I also mentioned, if you join through an invitation link, you will get a $5 joining bonus. And I have such an invitation link on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. So if you decide to join, make sure to check that out. And also, if this video has helped you, then make sure to like it. And also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.